welcome you, the governor of Jonglei State, to Poked Up. Poked Up is a temporary base for the operation. This is where we started our operation. Our operation is going very well on two fronts. One front is from Poked Up to Ayut Patai. The other front is from Poked Up, Pajut, and then Yuai. Those areas are completely under our control, and we have learned that there is a relative peace in those areas, and most of the population are coming back. So Your Excellency the Governor, we welcome you, and we need you to do your work. Most of the sprays from Yuai are in big packet with all the cattle. So it will be a chance for you to go and address them and tell them the word of peace. Yesterday we dispatched the commissioner of Yuai. He's on the way to Yuai. As soon as he reaches, we are going to join him, and we are also going to welcome you to Yuai and then Patai. I think the war is over. What is left is the political work. So you as the governor, we welcome you, and we hope you will stabilize the situation ahead of us. So thank you, Mr. Governor. Thank you.
For the victories we have achieved in a very short period of time. In less than 3 weeks, we were able to liberate and recapture 5 very strategic locations. This is Pajut, 100% under the control of Jonglei State now, administratively, militarily. Yuai, also 100% liberated. You have Patai, you have Palony, you have Yuai in Ayut County. All these locations have been fully brought back to the state authority. And as you correctly put it, the war, to me, based on my knowledge, my assessment, the area is over. What has remained is a matter of hot pursuit. So that you bring back those armaments lost in Battle of Wat, Yuai, and Pajut. If IO really mean peace, they want peace, let them voluntarily surrender those weapons. Or else, the SPDF has the mandate to follow them and retrieve those armaments. Our presence today is to come and show our solidarity with the SPDF. And we want to borrow from Sudan, communication-wide, Shaban-wide. This is what we are coming to declare today, that we are wholeheartedly behind you with all what we have. Our energies, our resources is behind the SPDF. We have achieved a very big thing that we have lost. The sovereignty of our country, we have now regained it by bringing back those areas. And now the SPDF is moving freely between Diri and Yuai, and between Patai and Motot. They are moving freely. We need not to be there as a garrison, no, but we have strategic locations that we will have to maintain some presence, but we have the overall authority of this land of South Sudan. This is what you are doing now. So I seize this opportunity once again to congratulate His Excellency the President by taking that bold decision to dispatch you with your entire leadership. This one is unprecedented. You left your office and you are based here as your headquarters. To see into it that this menace that has been bothering people since 1991, 2013, 2016 must be brought to an end. As Garangateng used to sing, this should be our slogan this time. Mavi Dawla Bita Gabila. Mavi Dawla Bita Gabila. This should be our song. This should be our slogan when we are liberating these areas. And by liberating low area, it will have a bearing on other areas of Upper Nile. This menace must be brought to an end. We have seen the Nasrallah style of politics when he plunged that beautiful country called Lebanon into chaos by arrogating to himself sovereign powers in southern Lebanon. Southern Lebanon was a no-go area for the Lebanese army. This is what also IO has tried to introduce to South Sudan. But we have today said it loudly that no, South Sudan, Dawla Wahdi, one country, one government, one president, and one CDF.